Imagine opening your inbox and finding a message that not only catches your eye, but makes you click instantly. Something that feels personal, relevant, and impossible to ignore. Now imagine having the power to create dozens of these messages automatically, sending them to hundreds, even thousands of potential customers, and watching your sales grow without you lifting a finger. That's exactly what our AI-powered email campaigns can do for you. And today, on AI Side Hustle, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn AI into your secret weapon for generating consistent, predictable sales. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, because we're recovering strategies that can literally transform your business and you. Want to miss a single tip? Email marketing is far from dead. In fact, it's more powerful than ever. Especially when you combine it with AI. Traditional email campaigns take hours of writing, editing, testing, and segmenting your audience. But AI can do all of this in a fraction of the time, and with a level of personalization that feels human. Imagine having AI analyze your customer behavior, purchase history, and engagement patterns, and then create emails tailored to each person's preferences, increasing the likelihood they'll click, buy, or respond. The beauty of AI is that it learns from your data, so the more you use it, the smarter and more effective your campaigns become. The first step to mastering AI email campaigns is understanding your audience. You can't sell to everyone, but AI can help you segment your audience into highly targeted groups. For instance, if you run an online store selling fitness products, AI can automatically segment your customers based on what they've purchased before, how often they open emails, and even what time of day they're most active. Once your audience is segmented, AI can generate personalized content for each group, ensuring that the right message reaches the right person at the right time. Now, let's talk about crafting email content. This is where AI truly shines. With AI, you can create subject lines that grab attention, body copy that engages, and calls to action that convert. The AI analyzes millions of successful email examples to generate content that resonates with your specific audience. You can even test multiple variations automatically to see which one performs best, all without spending hours brainstorming or writing. This level of optimization was nearly impossible before AI, but now it's at your fingertips. Timing and frequency are crucial in email marketing. Sending too many emails can annoy your subscribers, while sending too few can make you forgettable. AI can predict the best times to send emails for each individual, based on their past behavior, can also determine the ideal frequency, helping you maintain engagement without overwhelming your audience. This means every email you send has a higher chance of being opened, read, and acted upon, which directly translates into increased sales. Automation is another game changer. AI allows you to create entire email sequences that run on autopilot. From welcome emails for new subscribers to abandoned cart reminders and re-engagement campaigns, AI handles it all seamlessly. For example, if a customer adds an item to their cart but doesn't check out, AI can automatically send a series of personalized emails reminding them of their item, offering discounts, or highlighting similar products. This type of automation not only saves time, but also recovers potentially lost revenue with minimal effort. Analyzing results has never been easier. AI can track open rates, click-through rates, conversions, and revenue generated from each campaign. It can even provide insights on what type of content resonates best with your audience, so you can continuously improve your strategy. Imagine being able to know exactly which email drives the most sales and which one doesn't, all in real time. This level of data-driven decision-making ensures that your campaigns are always improving and evolving. One of the most exciting aspects of AI email marketing is predictive analytics. AI doesn't just look at past behavior. It predicts future actions. For instance, it can identify which subscribers are most likely to make a purchase in the next 7 days and automatically prioritize them for specific campaigns. It can also predict which customers are at risk of unsubscribing or disengaging, allowing you to take proactive steps to retain them. This predictive power means you're not just reacting to your audience, you're staying one step ahead. Let's talk about personalization beyond just names and purchase history. AI can tailor the entire content of an email to match a recipient's preferences, from the product recommendations to the tone of voice used in the copy. This makes your emails feel incredibly personal, like a friend recommending a product, rather than a generic marketing message. Personalization significantly increases engagement and conversions because people are more likely to respond to messages that feel relevant and thoughtful. Another way to boost sales through AI email campaigns is dynamic content. With AI, you can create emails where the content changes based on who is reading it. For example, an email could show different product images, offers, or articles depending on the recipient's interests or location. This type of tailored content increases relevance and engagement, which ultimately leads to more conversions. AI can also help with email deliverability. No matter how amazing your content is, if your emails land in the spam folder, they won't generate sales. AI tools analyze your email structure, subject lines, and sending patterns to ensure maximum delivery. It can suggest changes to improve your chances of landing in the inbox, increasing the likelihood that your audience will see and engage with your campaigns. Storytelling is another powerful technique AI can enhance. People connect with stories, not sales pitches. AI can help you craft narratives that engage your readers emotionally while subtly guiding them toward a purchase. For example, you could share a customer success story or a behind-the-scenes look at your business. AI can suggest story angles, structure, and even optimize the language to resonate with your audience. This storytelling approach builds trust and loyalty, which is key for long-term sales. Segmentation and personalization work hand in hand with AI to create highly targeted campaigns. For example, if you notice a segment of your audience frequently engages with content about fitness, nutrition, AI can automatically create a campaign that highlights products, tips, or offers in that niche. This ensures your emails are always relevant, which increases engagement and drives more sales. One of the best features of AI in email marketing is its ability to learn from every interaction. Tweak, open, and conversion feeds back into the system, making future campaigns smarter and more effective. This continuous learning loop means that over time, your campaigns become increasingly efficient, generating more revenue with less effort. AI email campaigns also enable multi-channel integration. Your emails can sync with social media, SMS, and other marketing channels. For instance, if someone clicks a link in your email but doesn't purchase, AI can trigger a retargeting ad on social media. This cohesive approach ensures that your audience is reached wherever they spend their time, increasing the chances of conversion. Creating urgency and scarcity is another tactic AI can automate. Limited time offers, countdown timers, and stock alerts can all be generated and customized for each subscriber. AI can determine which type of urgency works best for each segment, making your campaigns more effective at driving immediate sales. A/B testing is now effortless with AI. Instead of manually creating multiple email versions and guessing which one works best, AI can automatically generate and test different subject lines, content, and calls to action. It then identifies the winning version and deploys it to maximize results. This optimization process continues indefinitely, ensuring your campaigns are always performing at their peak. AI can even assist with visual content in emails. From product images to infographics and banners, AI tools can generate visuals that match your audience's preferences and enhance engagement. Spam emails with compelling visuals tend to have higher click-through rates and conversions, and AI makes this scalable and efficient. Segmentation, personalization, predictive analytics, automation, storytelling, dynamic content, deliverability, optimization, A/B testing, and multi-channel integration all work together to create a powerful AI email marketing system. The result is a pipeline of highly targeted, personalized emails that consistently generate sales without constant manual effort. You set up the system, let AI do the heavy lifting, and watch your revenue grow. 2. Get started. Choose a reliable AI email marketing tool that suits your business size and needs. Popular options include tools that integrate with major platforms like Shopify, WordPress, or any CRM system. Once you've chosen your tool, start by uploading your contact list and segmenting your audience. Then, let the AI generate content, schedule emails, and monitor results. Over time, you'll refine your strategy based on insights and analytics, continuously improving your campaigns. The key to success with AI email campaigns is consistency and experimentation. Assess different approaches, track results, and let AI optimize for you. Remember, the goal is not just to send emails, but to create a seamless experience for your audience that feels personal, timely, and valuable. As you gain confidence, you can explore advanced features like predictive segmentation, dynamic content, and cross-channel campaigns to further increase your sales. Before we wrap up, remember to comment below and share your thoughts on AI email campaigns. Have you tried any AI tools for your business? What results have you seen? Sharing your experiences helps others learn and engage, and it creates a community where we can all grow together. By using AI for email marketing, you're not just saving time, you're unlocking a powerful sales engine that works around the clock, personalizing content, engaging your audience, and boosting revenue like never before. Stay consistent, keep experimenting, and let AI help you turn your emails into a powerful revenue-generating machine right here on AI's Side Hustle.